or is not clearly. Many, much. Both have same meaning in Odia. ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ଦୁଇଟାକ ଅର୍ଥ ସମାନ ବହୁତ, but in English it is a great difference. ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ବହୁତ ବୋଲି ଗୋଟେ ପଦ ଯାହାକୁ ତମେ ସବୁ ଜାଗାରେ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରିପାରୁଛ। ବହୁତ ବହି, ବହୁତ ସୁନ୍ଦର ଲେଖା, ବହୁତ ସୁନ୍ଦର ପାଣି, ସବୁଗୁଡ଼ିକ ବହୁତ ବୋଲି ପଦଟି ତମେ ବହୁତ ଜାଗା ଲଗେଇ ଦେଉଛ। But in English it is quite different. Really many of much ର ଅର୍ଥ ହେଉଛି ବହୁତ। In Odia, in other language, in Bengali, in Odia, in Hindi, there is a one word. ज़्यादा इंग्लिश रे हिंदी रे ओडिया रे बहुत, but in English there are so many words used against this word बहुत, but ज़्यादा. I have already told you, English is such a language, one word is used in appropriate context. There is no concrete rule, concrete word. ए वर्डटा ही गोटे पद पर व्यवहार हम सेटा नुहे. There are so many words in different contexts, in different sentences. Many, really many is used in countable noun. Countable, plural countable. It is used in plural countable. Mark it. जदि को न बुझिया मत पचारिबो. Many is used before plural countable. मैं contrast करी पढ़ुचे. Much is used before uncountable. Before uncountable. It is used in negative and interrogative sentence. Negative and interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. It is also used in negative and interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Many, I will tell you, negative and interrogative sentence, we can use many in assertive, we can use many in affirmative sentence. Affirmative. Okay, I am giving you some examples. Many. I don't see example. I don't see many students in the class. Many students in the class. Do you want many books? Do you want many books in English? Yeah, it is negative. It is negative. It is interrogative. Understood? It is a negative sentence. It is an interrogative sentence. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
So come on to, oh students, I have not much money. I have not got 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 much money. Which sentence? It is negative. It is negative. Come on to interrogative sentence. So, if you want to write, students, is there much water in the river? Is there much water? Is there much water? Is there much water in the river? In the river? It is interrogative. It is interrogative. Do you want much milk? Do you drink much milk? Do you want much money? Do you want much sand to build your house? Understood?
Yes. Yes, sir.
It is usually negative and interrogative. So come on. Yeah, I have already told you, nobody asked the question. Sir, can we use many and much in the affirmative sentence? In English, nothing is impossible. We can use. If you want to use an affirmative sentence, affirmative. If you want to use an affirmative sentence, you have to add too many or so many. If you add too or so before many, you can use an affirmative sentence. I saw too many people. I saw too many people. I saw too many people in the car festival. In the festival. In the car festival. In the car festival. Too many is excess. Really too many. I could collect so many books. I could collect so many books, but I saw so many books in the library. I could see so many books in the library. I could see so many books in the library. In the library. Just like this, it is also, we can also write affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence. Too much. Too much. Or so much. So much. You know, students, too much of anything is good for nothing. Yeah? Don't speak too much. Okay. If you speak too much, okay, it must be a difficult question, difficult sentence. I'm telling you another too much. Uh, I have got, I have got, I have got too much water, too much water in the rainy season. But we got, come on, we get too much water in the rainy season. In the rainy season. In the rainy season. Okay? Then so much. It is too much. Just like you may use so much. If you want to write so much, can you tell me one example? So much? Who will say? Come on, tell me one example. So much. So much. Don't use so much. Okay. Generally, girls use. Don't comment anybody. Girls use so much cosmetics. So much cosmetics. So much cosmetics. Okay, we drink so much water in the we drink so much water. We drink, but we get so much sweat. We get so much sweat. Yo, we get so much sweat in the summer season. Do you know what is the meaning of sweat in the summer season?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right now. We get so much sweat in the summer season. SUMMER. We get so much summer season. Okay?
Sir,
क्या कमा
हमें जब affirmative sentence ले खाली मैंने उसको ही परिवार
Yeah, sure. Nice question. Nothing is impossible. Yeah, we can use. Just wait. You please write. Yeah, very good question. Very good question. ସେ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ପଚାରିଲା ଆମେ ଟୁ ଶୋ ବ୍ୟବହାର ନ କରି many much କୁ affirmative sentence ଲଗେଇ ପାରିବା କି ନାହିଁ? Can't we use many or much in affirmative sentence without to or so? Yeah, we can use, but modal will be different, pattern will be different. There is a certain rule for that. Just like we can use in any case, any place. We can use in any place, in any position, in negative sentence, an interrogative sentence, or in the affirmative sentence, so far as many, much, too many, so many, too much, or so much are concerned. Many, much, too much, too many, so much, ବାକ୍ୟର ଯେକୌଣସି ଜାଗାରେ ଆମେ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରିଦେଇପାରିବା. But if any students likes to use many much in affirmative sentence, there is a definite rule. Did you understand? Did you note down? Shall I clean?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you want to write if anybody many, much, many and much can be used in affirmative sentence in affirmative sentence provided that many or much is a subject or part of the subject যদি many much subject ହେଇଥିବେ বা subjectର କିଛି ଅଂଶ ହେଇଥିବେ ତାହେଲେ ଆମେ affirmative sentence ରେ many much ବ୍ୟବହାର କରି ଦେଇ ପାରିବା. In other case you can't use. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
ଯଦି many much ବାକ୍ୟରେ କର୍ତ୍ତା ହେଇଥିବ ବା କର୍ତ୍ତାର ଅଂଶ ବିଶେଷ ହେଇଥିବ ତାହେଲେ ଆମେ affirmative sentence ରେ many much ବ୍ୟବହାର କରିପାରିବା. If many and much can be used in affirmative sentence provided that many or much is a subject or part of the subject. There are many students in the class today. There are many students in the class today. Here, which is the subject really? Yeah. Can you tell me which is the real subject? So, जानते ना, there is here, what is the subject? In this sentence, which is the subject? There are many students in the class. Which is the sentence? Which is the subject of the sentence? Then what is there? What is there? What is there? The students, there, mind it. Okay, I like to tell you. There and it. There and it. These two are called dummy subject. Dummy. Dummy subject. They are not real subject. They are called dummy subject. Do you know what is dummy?
No, sir.
Dummy jani na? Okay, I am telling you. Bandana achi?
Yes, sir.
Bandana? ତମ ଝିଅମାନଙ୍କର ଗୋଟେ ଛୋଟ ପ୍ଲେ କରୁଛ. ଏଠି ଆଉ କିଏ ଅଛି? ହୁର୍ଷି ଅଛି? ଅନ୍ୟ କିଏ ଅଛି? ଚିନ୍ମୟ ଅଛ ନା? ତମେ କେବେ ଡ୍ରାମା ରିହର୍ସାଲ ଦେଖିଥିବ? ଡ୍ରାମା ରିହର୍ସାଲ କଲା ଦିନ ତମେ ସେଠି ଅଛ. ସେଦିନ ହିରୋ ଆସିନି. ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ ନା? ଚିନ୍ମୟ ସେ ଡାକିଲେ, ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟର ଡାକିଲେ, ଏ ଚିନ୍ମୟ ଆଜି ହିରୋ ଆସିନାହାନ୍ତି, ତମେ ଆସ ଆଜି ହିରୋ ହୁଅ. ସେଦିନ ପାଇଁ ତମେ ହିରୋର ଜାଗାରେ ତମେ ଆକ୍ଟିଂ କଲ. ତା ପରଦିନ ଭିଲିଏନ୍ ଆସିନି. ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟର କହିଲେ ଚିନ୍ମୟ ଆଜି ଭିଲିଏନ୍ ଆସିନି, ତମେ ଆସି ଭିଲିଏନ୍ ହୁଅ. ତା ପରଦିନ ହିରୋଇନ୍ ଆସିନି. ଚିନ୍ମୟକୁ ଡାକିଲେ, ହେ ଚିନ୍ମୟ ତମେ ଆଜି ହିରୋଇନ୍ ରୋଲ୍ କର. ତେଣୁ ତମେ ଚିନ୍ମୟ, ତମେ ପ୍ରକୃତ ହିରୋ ନୁହଁ, ପ୍ରକୃତ ହିରୋଇନ୍ ନୁହଁ, ପ୍ରକୃତ ଭିଲିଏନ୍ ନୁହଁ. ତମେ କାର ଡମି କରୁଛ? ହିରୋ, ହିରୋଇନ୍, ଭିଲିଏନ୍ର ଡମି କରୁଛ. ସେମିତି आमे जदि कौन सी जगह तुम सब्जेक्ट पाइलनी ताल से जगार आमे देर आउ इट को घिना पारिबा जेमती आमे देखो इट इज सेड दैट ये सब्जेक्ट किए यह कुहा जाए जे इट इज सेड कुहा जाए और सब्जेक्ट किसी नहीं तेणु से जगह आमे इट घिना ले द रियल सब्जेक्ट इज मेनी स्टूडेंट्स रियल सब्जेक्ट इज मेनी स्टूडेंट्स it is dummy subject. Did you understand? Yeah. We can use many students asked me a lot of questions. Many students asked me a lot of questions. A lot of questions. You see, here it is the subject, but many is the part of the subject. It is a part of the subject. It is a part of the subject. এই জায়গারে ইয়ে আসিগলা সাবজেক্ট গোটে প্রকার সাবজেক্ট ইয়ে গলা সাবজেক্ট ইয়ে কোন হয়ে গলা মেনি রিয়েল সাবজেক্ট হচ্ছে মেনি স্টুডেন্টস রিয়েল সাবজেক্ট হচ্ছে মেনি স্টুডেন্টস many is a part of the subject. So many students asked me a lot of questions. Just like we can use much water, much blood. In that, much blood, flew. Much what flew in that accident. Much cement is needed for the house. Okay, much blood flew in that accident. But accident है गला बहुत रक्त बहिला flow FL flew much blood flew in that accident. Much cement is needed for the house. Did you understand?
Yes.
Yeah, there is, come on. There is much water. There is much water in the river. There is much water in the river. In the rainy season. Yeah. There is much water in the river in the rainy season. Yeah. Much water is essential. Much water is necessary for the crops. Yeah. Any question? Students? Any question?
Sir, for the function, sir. For the necessary
For the crop बोले much water is essential. Much water is essential, important, indispensable. Essential, you can write necessary, essential, indispensable. यू मे राइट मु आउट कहूनी पद मु पद कहूनी तो बर्तमान आश्च तो यू कैन राइट नो प्रॉब्लम एनी क्वेश्चन एनी क्वेश्चन American English is flawed. Any? Students, any question?
No, sir. No, sir.
No. Although, come on. Yeah. You please write. You go, wait. Fly floor. Yeah, much water floor कर दिया रे. British English that is floor. It is floor. Much blood flowed in that accident. It is the American English. It is British English floor. Come on.
Sir, हमें कोई नहीं दे रहा हूँ. It act like a subject.
Yeah, it acts like a subject, but it is not a subject. It's a dummy subject.
Yes, sir.
It is a dummy subject, but it acts like a subject. Do you understand? When your father is not at home, if you manage the house, then you, at that moment, you are the head of the house, but you are not the actual head of the house. बापांक अनुपस्थित रे तमे यदि घर चलाउछ ताल तमे कहूछ you acts like the head of the house at that moment for that situation, but you are not real head of the house. Seମିତି it out there, though they are the subject, but they are not the actual subject, they are the dummy subject. जनकर सब्जेक्ट अनुपस्थित रे सब्जेक्ट रूपे कार्य करिबा आमे इट और देयर को व्यवहार करूचे. ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन कम्स ताले आमे एफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस रे कोन व्यवहार करिबा. नाउ माय क्वेश्चन, इन एफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस वी यूज many or much provided that many or much is the part of the subject or subject. Many much को आमे affirmative sentence रे व्यवहार कर दे परिबा, provided that many much is the subject or part of the subject. ताले जदि आमे अनेक जगह रे आमे affirmative sentence हेतिबो, अनेक जगह रे बहुत पद बदल रे कोन व्यवहार करि परिबा. It is a question. Did you understand the question? In an affirmative sentence, come on students. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Listen carefully. Too many, अत्यधिक. Too many. So many, ताठु टिके कम. खाली जदि बहुत जगह में लगेबा, जमती मेनी गोटे मॉडरेट डिग्री रे व्यवहार करा गला. मेनी टू अधिक हो गला सो मेनी टू अधिक हो गला ए मेनी टू अधिक हो गला सो मेनी टू अधिक हो गला टू मेनी. ओके,
Yes, sir.
बट इंस्टेड ऑफ मेनी जो अर्थ रे व्यवहार करा जाउची सेही अर्थ मेनी बोले बहुत, सो मेनी बोले आहुरी बहुत, टू मेनी अत्यधिक बहुत. ताहले एठी आमे देखिबा मेनी आमे एफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस रे व्यवहार कले, किंतु मेनी जगह रे एफर्मेटिव मेनी जो अर्थ बुझौची सेही अर्थ रे आमे एफ्रिमेटिव सेंटेंस रे को पद नाही कि come on students, you have already completed 11 exercise. In affirmative sentence we can use lot of, a lot of or lots of.
Lost.
Yeah, lots of. Lot of or lots of is used in affirmative sentence instead of many plus plural countable noun or uncountable noun. हमें प्लुरल काउंटेबल और अनकाउंटेबल नाउन जगह एफ्रिमेटिव सेंटेंस तले ए लॉट ऑफ व लॉट्स ऑफ व्यवहार कर दे परिबा. ए लॉट्स ऑफ और लॉट्स ऑफ प्लस प्लुरल काउंटेबल और अनकाउंटेबल. If you can use a lot or lots without noun or pronoun. जदि नाउन व्यवहार करिबा बोला मन रख ऑफ परे आमे लगेया कोन प्लुरल काउंटेबल और अनकाउंटेबल. If you don't want to use, if you don't like to use any noun after a lot or lot, you should use a lot or lots. Never use a lot of. और if you want to use, जदि तुमे a lot of व्यवहार करिया को इच्छा करूचो बा lots of व्यवहार करिया को इच्छा करूचो ताहले तुमे नाउन व्यवहार करिया को पड़िबो. को नाउन? प्लुरल काउंटेबल नाउन, plural countable noun or uncountable noun. I will tell you. Yeah, I will give you. And these two are used in both. These two are used in both plural countable noun and uncountable noun in affirmative sentence. Did you understand? The same sentence. Yeah, the same sentence. I saw a lot of students. I saw a lot of students in the class, in the playground. I saw a lot of students in the playground. You can get much blood. You can get much blood in the blood bank. You can get much blood in the blood. Sorry, lots of blood in the blood bank. Did you understand? Did you get? Yeah. Now our question is, how can you use a lot without noun? Yeah. It is our question.
Yes.
Yeah. You see, did you see a lot of boys in the playground? Did you see many boys? Did you see many boys in the playground? Yes, I saw many. I saw a lot. Yes, I saw a lot. Did you see many boys in the playground? It is an interrogative sentence. Yes, I saw a lot. You can't use of voice. There is no necessity. You should not use no. I saw a lot of voice. I saw a lot. I saw a lot. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I like to give you another example.
Sir,
Yeah, come on. Ask me.
sir, a
Yeah, huh?
sir, a lot of
Huh.
a lot of or a lot same की
Shape দুইটাকে প্রায় সমান a lot of or lots of there is no difference તમે ସେ ଭିତରକୁ ଗଲେ ଏଠି ପ୍ରକୃତରେ there is no difference between a lot of and lots of but I like to tell you a lot of plus countable noun plural countable it is good and it is usual uncountable but there is no difference I like to tell you ତମାନେ ସଦାସର୍ବଦା a lot of ପରେ plural countable noun আর uncountable noun ବ୍ୟବହାର କର ସୁନ୍ଦର ଲାଗିବ ବାକ୍ୟଟା ଏବଂ lots of ପରେ ତମେ plural countable noun ବ୍ୟବହାର କର ଯେଉଁଟାକି ସୁନ୍ଦର ଲାଗିବ but there is no difference at all there is no error at all if you use you see students I like to tell you another example listen I like to tell we hear, listen carefully. We hear the cost of onion, 100 rupees a kilo. 100 rupees a kilo. We hear the cost of onion. We hear the cost of onion Rs 100 a kilo. Really, it is a lot. Really, it is a lot in my opinion. Really, it is a lot in my opinion. In my opinion, you say, I did not use any noun after a lot. Is a lot. We hear the cost of onion Rs 100 a kilo. ମୁଁ ଶୁଣିଲି ପିଆଜ କିଲୋ 100 ଟଙ୍କା ଓହ ବହୁତ ହେଇଗଲା really it is a lot in my opinion really it is a lot in my opinion
opinion କହିଲେ କଣ sir
opinion କଲେ ମତ really it is my opinion OPINION. So we discussed, come on to the gist. Shai Shimron, are you here? What are you doing? Are you not listening? Listening? Okay. Don't chat with your friends, huh? Don't watch the video at this time. Okay, come on. What is the gist? Many, come on students, many much used in many, especially many. What I like to clarify, many is used before countable noun in negative and interrogative sentence. Much is used before uncountable noun in negative and interrogative sentence. But we can use affirmative sentence, too many, too much. Too much, so much can be used in affirmative sentence. In affirmative sentence. Okay? If you want many or much, if you want many and much to be used in affirmative sentence, जब तुम्हें many much को affirmative sentence रे व्यवहार करिया को इच्छा करूछ ताहले many much कर्ता हेतु पड़िबो बा कर्तार अंश विशेष हेतु पड़िबो. Many much can be used in affirmative sentence provided that many and much must be the subject or part of the subject. Okay? But now you are 85, more than 85 mark. You have secured more than 85 marks. So you should go deeper and deeper. Many has a lot of meaning. Really, you say many has, we can use, you can write many in different way. Many, a many, the many, many a. This many can be written in different way. In English, really we see a large number of people. We can also use a large number of people. I like to tell you, ମୁଁ କହିବି ପଛେ ଏଟା ସଜାଉ ଆମେ ଦେଖୁଛେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ବହୁତ ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖୁଛେ ସେତେବେଳେ ଗୋଟିଏ ଜାଗାରେ ସବୁ ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ ଆମେ ଦେଖିପାରୁନେ. All these words follow the rule of many. Follow the rule of many. All these words follow the rule of many. What is many? Many means you see bahut, a large number of. You say this is the figure. गोटे जगार जदि बहुत लोक जमा होइथिबे ताले आमे ता कहबा many. Did you understand? Students, did you understand many? Yeah. Many a. Yeah, what is the many a? Yeah, this is a large number of people. This many a very large number of people. A very large number of people. ताठु टिके अधिक. A very large number of people. A very large number of people. केमिति डिफरेंस कोन देखो एमिति तमे देखितो कोनसे एक जागा रे जो तमे एठिके जाइथिबो कटक बाली यात्रा देखिबो गोटे जागा रे सब लोक जमा hin नथिबे ये ला कटक बाली यात्रा किंतु बहु संख्यक लोक भिन्न भिन्न जागा रे जमा होइथिबे. डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड? ये गोटे गोटे मेनी, ये गोटे गोटे मेनी किंतु गोटे जगार भिन्न भिन्न जगार बहु संख्या लोक जमा हेले ताकू आमे कहबा ए मेनी. We saw, you say, we a many people, we can use a many people, a many people, a many people gathered, a many people gathered in the Bali Yatra. In the Bali Yatra, that is festival. Yeah, example. A many is example. A many people gathered in the Bali Yatra. Here many people, many students are playing in the playground. are playing in the playground, are playing in the playground. Playground. Many students are playing in the playground. I couldn't see many people in the playground. I couldn't see many students in the playground. I couldn't see many students in the classroom. Did you understand? A many, a very large number of people, many in different places. Yeah.
Many students playing in the playground.
Uh-huh.
Maybe lots of people are not used to play.
Yeah. Why not? A lot of students, both are same. Because a lot of is used in the affirmative sentence, you can use, no problem at all. Many are, if many is the subject or part of the subject, you can use many in the affirmative sentence. But it is the general rule, the usual rule, a lot of is used. A lot of is used in the affirmative sentence. But what is the many? The many. The many is a public gathering. What is the public gathering? That is, what is the meaning of a public gathering? What is the meaning of the many? That is a very large group of people. A very large group of people. Very large. A very large. A large. A very large group of people. A very large group of people. Group of people. Difference kon dekho. Difference dekho. एठी मु लेखली a very large number of people. एठी मु कहली a very large group of people. But it is for private. इठी बाली यात्रा. किंतु जेतेबेले प्रधानमंत्री आसथिबे, that is public in general gathering. Public in general gathering. Wait. हाँ, public in the general gathering. Public in general gathering. Public in general gathering. What is the difference? It is a private gathering. बाली यात्रा कौन सी सरकारी कार्यक्रम नुहे. जेतरा पब्लिक अर्थ हो गला पब्लिक ये आसीगला सरकारी कार्यक्रम. ये आसीगला सरकारी कार्यक्रम. ये आसीगला ये प्राइवेट कार्यक्रम. एठी जेतिके लोक जमा होइछंती एठी मते सेति लोक जमा होइछंती किंतु ये हला प्राइवेट ये हला सरकारी. प्रधानमंत्री आछंती बाली यात्रा पड़िया को सेठी लोक जमा होइछंती. यू कैन यूज दी मनी. बाली यात्रा उत्सव होची फेस्टिवल होची. यू कैन यूज ए मनी बिकॉज इट इज प्राइवेट. It is private. It is public. Did you understand? Yeah. That is private. Only public कहला मात्रे यदि ऑफिशियल किसी प्रोग्राम हला प्रधानमंत्री मुख्यमंत्री बा सरकारी कार्यक्रम रे यदि कौन से लोक जमा होइचंती ताहले सेठी आमे कहि परिबा द पब्लिक. Otherwise, you can use many or a many. The many is used in public. That is official. It is used in official. Yeah. Come on. We the many people, the many invitees gathered in Lal Killa. The many invitees gathered in Lal Killa on the eve of Independence Day. Okay? जदि तमे लाल किला रे अगस्त 15 तारीख जनवरी 26 तारीख रे बहुत लोक जमा होइचंती. You can use the many people gathered at Lal Killa, on the eve of Independence Day or Republican Day. Independence Day or the Republican Day. Official program है the minister is on the tour. The official, the minister, the prime minister, the president is on the tour. The many people, a very large group of people. A very large group of people, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 पद बदल तुम 2 पद लगे दी परिवो. A very large group of people बदल रे, instead of a very large group of people, you can use the many people. The many people. Did you understand? It is official. It is official gathering. But it is public gathering. It is private gathering. It is private gathering. Yeah, जोट होना कहीं की for official gathering we should use the money. For official use, that is called formal verb. I can say तो formal कहले तो मैं वरी हेउचो ये तो क्लास को आछो मतलब कहबी. Okay, formal rule, functional rule, formal use, non formal use भला मन रखियो. तुमको यूज भीतर मैं कहूची formal use word जेतल आछियो formal use, formal rule, functional rule. Formal use, functional rule. Formal use, non-formal use. Formal use, non-formal use. Non-formal use. Okay? Oh, students, one word has, I have already told you in English there is no one father and one mother. Come on. Many, a many, the many. Did you understand? I am going to tell you another word which is very interesting, many. You say, many. तमे क्लास को जते आसुचो तमे तो क्लास को जाउचो एका संग समस्त पळै जाउचो तो क्लास को आसुचो सेतले गोटे पिला आसुचो. Am I wrong? जेतले बेल बाजी जाउची घू हे कि सबु झियो गोटे समय जेमती समुद्र माछ माने खेलुचंती सेमती पळै जाउचो. त्यासले मु थेतबे कहितली ए स्कूल of fish. That's why I told you a school of fish. अरे किए कार ऑन करचो. Okay, many one by one many. One by one many. जदि गोटे हेकरी many हेची सेतले many व्यवहार करिवा. But all these words use plural verb. Plural. All these words use plural verb. Be careful. All these words use plural verb. Many, a many, the many use plural verb. But many use singular verb. Many is, was, has. But here, were, are, have. Oh, students, I think I twisted your mind. Many break. Yeah? Students, yeah, I will give you a lot of examples. Yeah, many a student is asking me a question. Many a student, not students. Dustina, many a student is asking me the question. Many a student is asking me the question. Students, you can't get all this information. Keep in mind, keep in your notebook. तुमको कौन सी जगार ए समस्त इनफॉरमेशन पाइबनी बा कौन सी गोटे ग्रामर बहिरू ए सब जाक पाइबनी. प्लीज कीप इट माइंड. केतले हेले बड़ हेले मध्य खाताटे पढ़ी देखीदे मत मन पकड़ भरसा एमती कहते. You can't get all this information in one grammar book from one person. तुमने प्राय जान नथिवो आज पर्यंत तुम्हें बहुत किछ मार्क आनिच 90%, 92%, 94% इंग्लिश आनिच. Have you got such type of information from anybody?
No, sir.
Yeah. Have you read all this information in any grammar book?
No, sir.
Yeah. So,
स्पेशली को ग्रामर बुक्स को बेसी फॉलो करन.
you know, I have no teacher. Yeah, just like I am a river, so to say. I am flowing. Wherever I get, I capture. Do you understand? ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ନଦୀ ଯୋଉଠି ବହି ବହି ଯାଉଛି ଯୋଉଠି ଯେତେବେଳେ ଯୋଉ ଜାଗା ମିଳିଲା ମୁଁ ତାଠୁ ସଂଗ୍ରହ କରିଦେଉଛି. There is no specific grammar. गोटे बहिरू तुम सब जाक पाइब नहीं. You can't get all the rules. You can't get all this from any specific book. If you ask me, sir, what is your favorite grammar book? No. There are so many favorite books. I refer.
बुक्स लिखि दे ना अपन
नहीं मु लेखुनी. No, I have not written. भगवान से देई नांती. I have not written. I have no time at all.
What question पचाया
Yeah.
there is no father and mother in English.
Yeah.
However, sentence there is no one father and mother in English.
Yeah.
English ର ଗୋଟେ father and mother ନାହାନ୍ତି ନା କିଛି father and mother ନାହାନ୍ତି.
No, that means आमे कहले बापा माँ जदि कहबा in other language बापा माँ कहले तुम जन्मदाता माँ को ही कहबे. बुझिपारछि ना. किंतु here father has a lot of meaning. फादर पदर को आम बहुत जगार व्यवहार कर तार कहबार अर्थ हूँ सेया. कहबार अर्थ हूँ इंग्रेज रे गोटे पदर गोटे अर्थ नुहे. तुम जो गोटे उड़िया लैंग्वेज जीव, संस्कृत लैंग्वेज को जीव, हिंदी लैंग्वेज को जीव, गोटे पदर गोटे अर्थ गोटे व्यवहार. किंतु इन इंग्लिश वन वर्ड हैज डिफरेंट मीनिंग इन डिफरेंट यूज. सेटा ही नाउन रूपे व्यवहार हबो, सेटा ही बार रूपे व्यवहार हबो, सेटा ही एडजेक्टिव रूपे व्यवहार हबो, तार अर्थ भिन्न हो जिवो. Did you understand? That's why I'm telling. Yeah. Many always receive plural countable noun. Yeah. Where? Quote. Oh, yes. Yeah, you should write. Many students. Always many. I am also human being. To err is human. You do know? To err is human. भूल करिबा मनुष्यर स्वाभाविक प्रवृत्ति. To err is human. Every error is the step of the bright future if you realize it and rectify it. Yeah? Huh? What? हाँ, सब्जेक्ट एंड पार्ट ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट व्यवहार करि परिबा. देयर व्यवहार करी मझिरे व्यवहार करि परिबा. देयर व्यवहार करी मझिरे व्यवहार करि परिबा. आउ शांत उदाहरण स्वरूप आमे कहि परिबा there have been many rainy days. in this year. There have been many rainy days this year. There have been much rain this year. It's there like a lot. But so far as affirmative sentence is concerned, many, much should be used as a subject or part of the subject. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
जदि मेनी मच को एफ्रिमेटिव सेंटेंस रे व्यवहार करूच ताहले से कर्ता हेतिबा बा कर्तार अंश विशेष होइतले ही आमे व्यवहार करि परिबा जदि मझिरे तमे एफ्रिमेटिव सेंटेंस रे मेनी व्यवहार करूच यू शुड यूज सो मेनी और टू मेनी
सर ताहले हमें कहि परबा अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस रे हमें टू मच टू मेनी किंबा a lot of lots of
या या एफ्रिमेटिव सेंटेंस रे टू मेनी सो मेनी a lot of lots of can be used in any place. Okay? Any doubts? Any question?
no sir.
So come on. This is the called many. Yeah. Many much. The use of many much, a lot of, lots of, a large number of, a great deal of. Yeah? ଆମେ ଲଗେଇ ପାରିବା ଏଠି କ'ଣ many ବଦଳରେ ଆମେ କ'ଣ ଲଗେଇ ଦେଇପାରିବା a large number of, lot of, lots of. much ବଦଳରେ a lot of ଆମେ many ବଦଳରେ ଆମେ ଲଗେଇ ଦେଇ ପାରୁଛେ lot of, a lot of, lots of, a large number of, a number of, the number of. I will tell you. এটা পরে ମୁଁ କହିବି a number of ଭଲ ମନେ ରଖିଥ a number of people, the number of people. That is another word I told you. Yeah, a number of plural verb. ଲେଖିଥ ପରେ କହିବି plural verb, the number of singular verb. The number of people, the number of people, a large number of people. A lot of, lots of, plural verb. A lot of, lots of people, plural verb. Just like mechi, shemti. Many, many, so many, too many. Many, here a many, the many, a many, the many. But these three are plural verb. So many, too many, plural verb. Only many a singular verb. Many a people, many a singular, many a man, many a girl. Singular verb, singular noun. Singular verb, singular noun. Many a plus singular noun, singular verb. Okay, come on. Then come on. Did you clarify? Just like much. What is the meaning? Much, too much, so much. Much, too much, so much. ये गोटे प्रकार आसिला ये अनकाउंटेबल नाउन सब जाक अनकाउंटेबल आ बदल आम लगे दी परिबा a lot of, lots of, a great deal of, a great deal of. a great deal of. Okay, students,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
shall I, any question?